Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can send stickers in Messenger. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Click on that and update Messenger. Once you done that, you need to go back and you simply need to open Messenger. Once you open, you simply need to select any conversation and click on this icon. Once you are here you can see option of search stickers, so you can search stickers as well. So I'm going to search for the sad, and here you can see all sad stickers, so I'm going to send this one like this. Here you can see, and now I'm going to search for the marriage sticker. Let me search again. Okay, here you can see that, so I'm going to share this one. Here you can see. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.